I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a section to another Squarespace page in just a few minutes. First, click on the Login button and sign in to your Squarespace account. You can choose to continue with Google, which makes the login process faster and more secure. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Select the site you want to work on. This ensures you're editing the right project. Next, navigate to the Edit section. This is where you can make changes to your site's layout and content. Locate the section you want to duplicate. Look for the heart icon, which lets you save a section. Clicking the heart bookmarks that section so it can be easily reused later. Now go to the page where you'd like to place the duplicate. Click on Add Section. From the menu that appears, choose Saved Sections. This will show the sections you've previously bookmarked. Select the one you saved, and it will automatically load into your new page. With these steps, you can quickly duplicate sections from one page to another. This is especially useful for keeping a consistent look, reusing layouts, or maintaining branding across your entire website. That's it. You've just learned how to duplicate a section in Squarespace quickly and efficiently.